Hello po mga kasenyor. Welcome po sa aking channel. Good morning at kumusta po kayong lahat. Sa video pong ito ay pakikita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ng technician na pagre-repair dito sa aming refrigerator. Kaya samahan po ninyo kami at para makita ninyo kung paano niyo gawin itong refrigerator namin. So this is the real technician that we are waiting for. He is doing a test on the compressor of our refrigerator. So I ready.
Yeah.
Is the right one?
Yeah.
So it was changed last 2019, and it's not even 6 years or 5 years,
Yeah.
and it quits again. So I don't know if
I'll be a little bit.
okay.
I've got a bag.
Okay.
I'll be doing the compressor again.
Oh, okay. So
Compressor. I'll do the condenser as well.
Okay. So the compressor is the one that busted again?
Yeah, likely. So come out with an update for the board as well. So I'll be
Okay.
updating the board.
Okay.
Yeah.
Parang sira na naman daw yung compressor. Ayun, yung compressor niya. Pinalitan pa lang yan ng parang 2019 nung masira yan. Ito. So, pinalitan ng bagong compressor. And then, ngayon, ala pa yatang, ngayon, 2023. So, hindi pa tapos dapat ang warranty. So, I don't know kung magkano ang magiging ganito charge. That is the new compressor. So just buying that special warranty, I already paid 370 something.
Yep.
With the GST, and then I will pay this compressor again.
Pay for the compressor again?
Yeah, no, or just that one pay that or
Just
you?
the one payment.
Oh, just the one payment. Oh, I thought that is only for the buying of the warranty, and then the parts that will be putting in here is different price.
No, it's covered.
Oh,
Everything's covered. in
Oh,
the
on that price.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So the technician said that she's gonna replace the compressor again. This is the new compressor. So just in case this got broken again, can I call directly to Totem to your company, or do I need to go to LG again? Okay.
YouTube channel do you got?
I had my it's a Filipino name. Like my channel is Senior Citizen, Senior Filipino Whitey. That's my channel's name.
Oh, okay.
I just started last year, so I'm not collecting money yet. Since I'm retired and nothing to do, so I told myself I might as well do this, because rather than staying at home and get bored,
Yeah.
at least I have something to. So we're gonna change that today.
Yeah.
So how long have you been working on this kind of job?
I've been at tech for 6 years.
Oh, that's quite a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, I retired as a heavy duty mechanic.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if you see that company in at Glenmore, that LRAS company before. I don't know who bought it now. I think American company bought it.
Okay.
So you are a Totem employee or a LG employee?
Totem.
Totem.
Yeah, we're not LG at all.
Yeah, because when I look online, they said that they have lots of subcontractor or something like that.
Yeah.
So, but we cannot go, customer like us, we cannot call you straight.
You can, but it's way more expensive.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You can only get that flat rate through LG.
Mm. So they will gonna change this one too. Now see, he's done with the compressor. Now he's installing the next parts that needed to be replaced. What do you call that part?
It's called a condenser.
Oh, condenser. Okay. So this company is really good. Their technicians are very friendly and explaining everything that they are doing. So when this was first fixed, they did not change this?
No.
No,
That's the
this is the
original.
original one.
Yeah. That's original from factory, that one.
So how long it will take to?
About 24 hours to cool down.
Oh, so we cannot get our food that we brought to my son's house. So we're gonna get it tomorrow then.
Yeah, it's like a brand new fridge, right? So all the plastic and everything on the inside is warm.
Oh,
All the plastic.
Okay.
So it's gonna take a little bit of time for that to cool down. So it's gonna get to 3 degrees, and then the plastic will warm it up, and then it'll go to 3 degrees, and the plastic will warm it up, and it'll come back down to 3. It'll be good.
Even the water, and when will it start making ice?
It'll start making ice maybe tonight.
Okay.
But it's mostly your meat and milk that I'm most worried about.
Yeah,
I wouldn't put that in yet.
No, we brought it in my son's house. There is a spare fridge in there.
Okay.
So probably we can get it by tomorrow then, and then put it back here.
Yeah.
So we don't need to put anything inside.
If you want to put things like
Water or something like
water, pop, juice, beer,
that? Okay.
condiments like ketchup, mustard, relish,
Okay.
that kind of stuff is okay. You're just going to want to hold off on like milk and meat and stuff like that.
And fish, eh?
Yeah.
So is there how much is the warranty on this one?
1 year.
1 year?
1 year, yeah. But I believe it's 1 year.
The labor and the parts, just 1 year, right?
Yeah.
There. Well, thank you so much.
No worries. Don't use metal clamps on these.
So we don't need to change any setting in this fridge now. It's the same setting that we had before.
I'll check the temperature. You have
Okay.
set.
That's all.
That's
We don't have to sign anything.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Okay. So what's your name then?
Court.
Court. Okay, Court.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I appreciate what you did to all my fridge.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
problem.
It's done. Yeah, I just put it back together. Ah, no charge. That's the all we have to pay. No. Okay. So hanggang dito na lang po ang aking video mga kasenyor, at maraming salamat po sa pagsama niyo sa akin dito sa paggawa ng aming nasirang fridge. Okay po, bye-bye.